Let's say you're going shopping for the new school year and walk into a store to go buy some clothes. What kind of surroundings would you expect? How long would those surroundings influence you to stay? And what interactions with other people doing the exact same thing as you hinder you from your goals of buying new clothes? In population ecology, spacing, interactions, climate, and competition for resources can cause some pretty big differences on where and when organisms want to be in a certain location. Today, we're diving into the topic of population distribution to talk about all the factors that can influence it. The first thing we need to understand is which part of the hierarchy are we talking about. Populations are defined as many individuals of the same species that can breed and produce offspring. On the scale of it all, individuals start the chain of hierarchy, followed by populations, communities, ecosystems, biomes, and then ending at the biosphere. Populations, in retrospect, are on the smaller end of this hierarchy. When we look into a population, we first want to determine its range. A range is the geographic area where a species can be found. Take, for example, the range of the brown bat. Certain species of brown bat can be found all over the United States, but some can only be found in specific states, or not at all. This takes us into population distribution, which is the spacing and location of individuals within their range. There are three types of population distribution patterns, including clumped, random, and uniform. Clump distribution is when organisms are grouped together in clusters. This is often found in environments with unevenly distributed resources. It could be due to social factors like wanting to stay in the family, or organisms may group to hunt together and protect themselves from predators. Uniform distribution is when organisms are evenly spaced from one another. These are found in populations where the distance between organisms is maximized, and spacing is often as a result of competition. In farming and agriculture, we can see these man-made uniform distributions happen. Random distribution is when organisms are randomly spaced. This occurs when organisms of a species are in environments where the position of each individual is independent of all the other individuals. And this is most likely to occur in environments where everything is usually consistent. Abiotic factors affect species distributions. This can be seen in the climate, where precipitation, sunlight, or humidity might change, in geography, so the soil, terrain, elevation, or in resource availability, so if an organism has enough nutrients or water to survive. Biotic factors can also affect species distribution. This can be seen in things like predator-prey relationships, diseases caused by viruses and other microorganisms, competition for resources like food and water, and human influences and interactions with those organisms. These interactions can also extend to the pollution of humans. So there you have it, the basic population ecology and identification of population distributions as seen in nature. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel and follow for more science videos. Bye!